everybody. I'm in New York, concrete jungles that dreams are made of. So dream big, and I would like to talk about how turn all those dreams that you have into the reality.
Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beachy sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Based on some research I did, it turns out that we either dwell on the problems that we have while trying to reach our dreams and goals, or we do fantasize a lot and visualize how we are already there and our dreams are there. Problem is that in both cases, our brain does a little bit of a tricks on us. So in a case of fantasizing, when we think about our dreams that are already fulfilled and when we visualize that, our brain already thinks that, oh, okay, I'm done, I did it. So it sends to our mind, to our brain, good, happy endorphins. So it doesn't really motivate us if it's already done, right? But on the other hand, dwelling on the problems is just also sending to our brain those informations that, oh, that is too hard, I'm not doing that. So you kind of have to be in the middle of it. From my personal experience, I did that. I've always had a dream to go and see USA because I was raised in Poland. We had a lot of movies throughout my entire life, and I always were wondering, oh, how is it really there? But traveling to USA from Poland, it was very expensive. So I've never thought that it would actually be possible. But at some point when I was really miserable at my work, I thought, like, why not now do what I really want to do and make my dream come true and try to go to USA. So I found out that there's this program, au pair program. I did put all my goal of going to the USA into steps. First step, I checked if I'm still eligible for the program. I was, so I put my profile up, and yeah, basically I made my dream come true. I actually did not even dream about that particular dream because I never dreamed of living in the US for 2 years, because I lived 1 year in Washington, D.C., which is the capital of US. Pretty cool. And then I got to go to San Francisco for 1 more year. So I've got East and West Coast experience, which is way more better. I was living in a country, it's a totally different experience than just traveling as a tourist, way beyond what I even dreamt of. But I had this whole dream and I made plans and steps, and it was actually very, very easy to make that dream come true. That's where the trick is. You balance the fantasizing with problems that you have, and you try to find the solutions for your problems. So if that problem appears, what can I do to make it work? And throughout all of your life towards your goal or dream, every single day make choices that will support your dream. Every single decision you're making in your daily life, just decide if that decision is going to support my dream or not. As simple as that. Time for some tasks. So today it's very simple as usual. What is your dream? Very simple questions. Figure that out. You got it? Okay, so what would be the first step that you have to do it right now in order to make that dream come true? Think about it. You got it? If that first step also has some smaller steps in it, then that's not the first step. So go back and figure it out, that first step. Now you just have to do that first step to sum it all up. In order to have your dreams come true, first have that dream in mind, visualize it, feel how good you will feel, how positive you will feel when you already achieve that goal. And then figure out the problems that might be on the way, and maybe how you can turn that problems and how you can solve that problems. Subscribe for more positive videos and go create those dreamy thoughts.